Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Kali bootable USB on MacBook. Okay, let's start. First, we need to download Balena Etcher application. Click to download. And then download the Etcher for Mac. I already have this application, so we pause the downloading. Open the Balena Etcher app. Click Flash from File and select Kali Linux IOS file. Click to open. Click Select Target. Select your USB stick. Click Flash. Finally, we will get a perfectly Kali bootable USB. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel.